ever heard about the Mitolyn or about some substances called mitochondria? Something that we have in our organism, but they can really influence how healthy we are. And I'm going to explain everything to you today, guys, how the Mitolyn was created with the mitochondria and also how it can affect your weight management. Stay with me until the end of this video, but I already left the link for the official website in the description box. So after watching this video until the end, if you still want to know more information about it or really decide to purchase it, the link will be left just below. Well, guys, a lot of people, they try endlessly to lose weight and nothing seems to work for them. That's because you're not working on the root cause of your problems, all right? And some scientists and researchers, they studied the lack of mitochondria. People who struggle with losing weight, that's because they have a low production of mitochondria that are important and essential in your organism, because when you don't have it, your body starts to accumulate fat. The mitochondria are responsible for burning fat more easily, turning the fat into energy and not into carbs, all right? And that's what the Mitolyn will do for you guys. This supplement is completely natural. It has a blend of organic ingredients that together they will boost the production of the mitochondria, helping you to shed those pounds more easily. You know that our body, it accumulates fat in an attempt to keep us alive. So if you're not healthy, if you don't have the mitochondria to do its job, of course, guys, there's no way you will lose weight right here. But the Mitolyn will lose weight in a healthy and fast manner. You don't need to worry about side effects or contradictions when taking it because, like I said, it is completely natural. All you gotta do is take it every single day in order to see these results. Otherwise, you won't see it and you will feel very frustrated about it. The minimal treatment with Mitolyn is of 3 months, but I recommend the complete treatment of 6 months so you can see the lasting and effective result you are looking for. Besides all of these benefits, the producer even offers you a money-back guarantee so you can actually test it. And if you don't like or don't see results, they return 100% of your money back. So you will literally have nothing to lose here. I just have one little alert to share with you guys about the Mitolyn that you must know before actually purchase it, which is where you're going to buy it from, because it is only sold on the official website. It's not possible to purchase it in drugstores or other websites, so be very careful with this information. That's why I left the link just below in the description of my video. This is the only place you can get it from, nor else, so keep that information in mind, okay? Also on the official website is the place you can check out the complete information about it, see people's testimonials, the complete list of ingredients, and of course buy the original product. So now that you've finished watching this video, I recommend you guys to go there, check it out. I'm pretty sure that by the end of the website page, you will be buying the supplement. Thank you so much and see you guys around.